Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today I want to make a quick little video, just kind of let you know what's coming up in this week and into next week and everything. We hadn't been making as many videos here lately. I've had a lot going on with the house project, the painting of the house, and also had to move my daughter home from college and everything. So we had a lot going on, all right? But anyway, I made a little list here of some videos that you'll see coming up. Actually today we got one scheduled to release that we filmed yesterday on how to replace a water pump on a Jeep Liberty. That'll be releasing later today, okay? We're also going to be making a how to replace upper control arms and ball joints and lower ball joints on the same vehicle today. That's what I'm getting ready to get started on. And that'll pop up in a day or two as well. Let's see here. Also, I want to make a quick little video on how to save up to 30% on your auto parts if you deal with Advance, okay? And I'll go through a little video. I talked about that in another video that I done last week, but it was like in the middle of a video. But I want to make just a specific video on how to save up to 30% on your auto parts. So anyway, also I want to do a review video of this Dremel Multimax MM30 oscillating tool. This has quickly become one of my favorite tools, okay? I have definitely been using this on the house project. I've had a lot of rotten wood here and there down around the soffit areas on all the corners of my house. And I had some stuff I had to do around my chimney where I had to cut out and put a new piece of molding and everything up. And man, this thing is awesome. I mean, it does the job. I don't know how I've went as long in my life without owning one of these tools, okay? So I want to do a little review on that here in the near future as well. Also, I talked about a book comparison video here a while back, and I haven't done that yet, but I'm just going to show you what the books are going to be. A lot of them are money books, self-help books. I'll do a comparison against Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover and The Millionaire Next Door. A lot of these are on audiobook because I like to listen to them like in my vehicle when I drive. But you can buy them in paperback, hardcover, audiobook, or CD form where you can play it in your car. The Millionaire Mind, we'll talk a little bit about that. We'll talk about Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That's another one of the books that we'll kind of compare. And the 4-Hour Work Week, okay? So all these books here, I'll talk a little bit about them. I'll rank them 1 through 5. I'll tell you which one is my favorite book out of all these in that video. Okay, a guy from, where is he from? I'm trying to think now. I think it was Idaho, I believe, somewhere out west. He contacted me through Facebook and wanted to purchase a nail remover, okay? I've got a couple videos here on my channel from several years ago where I built this little tool here for removing nails on a shingle, on a roof. After you remove your shingles, you always have all those pesky nails that are sticking up about a 1/4 inch that don't come off when you pull the shingles off. And I made this little tool to take care of that, okay? And he wanted to purchase one of them, all right? So I got probably 3 or 4 of them still up in the attic here that are brand new. I sold a few on Craigslist and a few of them locally, even had them out at my yard sale one time, and I think I sold a couple for like 20 bucks, $25. But he wanted one of these things, and the only reason I never sold them online in my eBay store was because of the fact that they cost so much to ship. But he really wanted one, okay? And so I checked to see what it would cost to ship something irregularly. You know, this thing's like, 5 foot long. It don't weigh that much, but it just have to be a large box that would go in. It's gonna cost about 90 bucks, So he didn't want it that bad, okay? And that's fine, I understand. because it takes the value totally out of the tool if you got to ship this thing across the country. So anyway, I told the fella that I would make a video on how to make one. So if you guys want to make one of these tools, they work great. Well, when you're up on the roof and you're removing nails, you can actually sit on your butt and just start at the top, start popping these nails, let them go down the roof, you know, catch them in the gutter, whatever, and then go pick them up with a magnet, and you just keep working your way down. You can clean a roof up really quick with this little tool, okay? So I'm going to show all of you how to make one, because I didn't have any real luck in actually selling these things. I will tell you a quick story. I did have a hardware store interested in them, okay? Manager of a hardware store was interested in my tool, and he got me in contact with the guy that was the company buyer, okay? Give me his email address and phone number. Well, tried to call him, never could talk to him. Emailed him pictures of my tool, explained it and everything. He never returned my email. So there's my luck on trying to get this thing put into a hardware store. But anyway, I'll show you all how to make one. If you want to make it yourself, you can make it for probably $15 if you're inclined to do a little welding and a little bit of cutting of metal, okay? So that's something I'll have a video on. Also, want to give another shout out to the 30-Second Outdoor Cleaner Company. They liked my last video that I made with the review and results of the product, and they posted a link in my video on their Facebook site. So I was kind of proud of that. That was pretty cool. And they call me a friend. I call them a friend, okay? It's good people, good company, good people to work with and everything. So I highly recommend their products as well. And what else do we have here? I'm gonna make another video, let's see, for the young mechanics out there. And it's basically just going to be talking about tool trucks and tool debt, okay? My opinion of all that, okay? So I'm going to give a little video on that, hopefully some advice to the young mechanics. Also, we do have a Patreon account now, okay? And want to remind you guys that if you become a patron, you can do that for as little as $1 a month, okay? And we are giving away this little tool set on June 1st, okay? Right now, we currently only have one patron, okay? So, they're gonna win it. But if you want to join and become a patron, we will be giving away this on June 1st. And of course, as I've said before, on the Patreon channel, I'm gonna try to post some links to some bloopers and stuff like that, and maybe, you know, pull some articles over there that I think are really helpful, and we'll post them from time to time. Give you guys just a little bit of extra information. Be a little bit easier to get in contact with me. I'll give you a contact email as well if you become a patron. But anyway, that's about it for today. We're getting ready to get started. We have a project here, our upper and lower ball joint project, and we got to get going, guys. So take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.